In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Avast Antivirus on your computer. So in one way or another, if you want to remove your Avast Antivirus on your Windows computer, one of the reasons why you may want to remove your Avast Anti-Premium on your computer is if you are using another antivirus. So let me show you how you can do that. The first thing you need to do is to go to Control Panel, and you can simply do that through the search here. Just search for Control Panel, and Control Panel is here. And once it's open, look for the option called Programs and Features, and you can see that option is here. Tap on it to open, and then this will list all the apps running on your computer or installed on your computer. And as you can see, we have Avast free antivirus that I installed on my computer. So I want to remove this Avast Anti-Premium, and the best way to do it is to do it from here. So tap on it, and then you'll see an install option here. Go ahead and tap on it. Alternatively, if you right click on the Avast Anti-Premium, you'll see an install option available. So I'll go ahead and tap on uninstall and then confirm. And then the process to uninstall it or to remove the program completely on my computer will start. So here you'll have to choose the next step. We have the repair, customize, and uninstall. If we choose any of these, we shall not have the antivirus removed from our computer. But if we want to remove it completely, then go ahead and choose uninstall. As you can see, you're told this removes the application from your PC. So I'll choose uninstall. Then choose any of the reason why you want to uninstall. For instance, I can say I no longer need it, so I'll choose this. And more reason, maybe because I'm using Microsoft Defender instead, and then wait for the uninstallation. And here we have the uninstallation page, and then go ahead and confirm that you want to uninstall. And then you shall have a countdown here upon which you're supposed to tap on uninstall, and the process of uninstalling your antivirus will begin. So this process should take like a minute or so, and then we should be done. So once you have installed it, you're supposed to restart your computer. You can either restart your computer immediately, or you can choose to restart it later. So for my case, I'll choose to restart it later, and that is done. As you can see, the icon for Avast free antivirus has disappeared, and now the program has completely been removed from my computer. So that's how you uninstall Avast Antivirus on your Windows computer. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.